Hi, Sherry again. Welcome to the new topic in PHP Become a Professional series. Whether you are an experienced programmer or not, this content is intended for everyone who wishes to learn the PHP programming language. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share if you like our work. It will support and motivate us to create more content like this. Let us continue. A code editor helps you write your code more efficiently. There are many code editors and integrated development environments, IDEs, that you can use to create, edit, and manage PHP files. Please note, word processors such as Star Office Writer, Microsoft Word, etc. are not optimal for editing PHP files. Code editors provide useful features such as code auto-completion. A code editor or IDE help you in code writing by auto-completing your code. Syntax highlighting. This is a technique that text editors use to distinguish parts of source code using color. Line numbers. Line numbers make it easy to quickly navigate to a piece of code. Plugins and extensions. Plugins and extensions let you add languages, debuggers, and tools to your installation to support your development workflow. FTP feature. This feature allows you to upload a file to your remote web server directly from the code editor or an IDE. A few of the popular code editors are VS Code, Atom, Notepad++, and Bracket. Please be ready with a code editor or IDE of your choice to practice in forthcoming topics. We will be using VS Code. If you have not yet subscribed to the CodeFork channel, please subscribe now, and also click the bell icon to get notifications on forthcoming videos. Please like and comment on the video to support and motivate us. Stay tuned. Thank you.